Hey y'all! Welcome to WTx3D Printing, tutorials curated by nerds, delivered by your favorite avatar, Lulu. These are the 20 slicer settings that matter most for beginners. Learning these gives you control over print quality, strength, adhesion, speed, and reliability. Let's go through them clearly and simply. First, layer height. Layer height controls detail and strength. 0.2 millimeters is the standard. Use 0.12 to 0.16 for high detail. Use 0.28 for fast drafts. Next, wall count. Walls determine strength and surface quality. Use 3 walls for most prints. Increase to 4 or 5 for structural parts. Now wall line width. Set wall line width to 115 to 120% of nozzle size. This improves bonding and strength. Next, infill percentage. Infill affects internal rigidity. Use 10 to 20% for decorative prints. Use 25 to 40% for functional parts. Next, infill pattern. Grid, cubic, and gyroid offer the best balance of strength and speed. Avoid lightning infill for load-bearing parts. Next, top layers. Top solid layers control surface smoothness. Use at least 4 to 5 top layers for 0.2 millimeter prints. Next, bottom layers. 2 to 3 bottom layers are usually enough. Increase if the bottom needs to be watertight or extra strong. Next, infill overlap percentage. Set overlap to 15 to 25% so infill bonds tightly to walls. Next, print temperature. Use the filament's recommended temperature. Increase by 5 to 10 degrees for stronger layer bonding. Lower it if stringing becomes excessive. Next, bed temperature. Bed temperature controls adhesion. PLA uses about 50 to 60 degrees. PETG uses 70 to 80. ABS and ASA need 80 to 100. Next, fan speed. Cooling affects strength and surface finish. PLA likes high cooling. PETG needs low to moderate cooling. ABS and ASA need minimal cooling. Next, retraction distance. Retraction prevents stringing. Use 1 to 2 millimeters for direct drive systems. Avoid over-retraction. It can cause clogs. Next, retraction speed. 30 to 50 millimeters per second is typical. Too slow causes stringing. Too fast can grind filament. Next, brim and skirt. Brims improve adhesion for small footprints. Skirts prime the nozzle and help you visually inspect the first layer. Next, support angle. Support angle controls when supports generate. 45 degrees is a safe default. Lower values increase coverage. Next, support density. Use 10 to 15% for tree supports. Use 15 to 20% for normal supports. Higher density improves quality, but makes removal harder. Next, support interface layers. 2 interface layers work well for PLA. Use fewer for PETG to prevent sticking. Next, print speed. Speed affects quality and reliability. High-speed printers can run fast on outer walls, but top layers and details should always be slower. Next, acceleration and jerk. Lower acceleration improves surface quality. Higher acceleration increases speed but can cause ringing and vibration. Finally, Z-offset. Z-offset controls nozzle distance from the plate. Too high causes gaps. Too low causes scraping. Adjust in 0.02 millimeter increments. These 20 settings control about 90% of print behavior. Once you understand them, prints become predictable instead of frustrating. Thanks for watching from all of us at WTx3D Printing. Yes, even me, Lulu. Like, subscribe, and keep turning chaos into prints.